Hello students. So today we will revise chapter 7, where was democracy born. So through this chapter we will know about democracy. So and we will know also where did democracy come from and when and how was democracy born. So let's start this video. So democracy is where citizens can vote. So it is not democracy. 2005 years ago, so ancient Athens was the first place to have citizen. यानी सबसे पहले जो नागरिक थे, यानी सिटीजन्स का मतलब जो वहाँ के रहने वाले लोग थे वो एथेंस में थे. एथेंस जो है फर्स्ट प्लेस था, फर्स्ट कंट्री थी जहाँ पर नागरिक थे. इट वॉज द फर्स्ट बिग सिटी इन यूरोप वेयर अ किंग डिडंट टेल एवरीवन व्हाट टू डू. सो एथेंस इज़ द फर्स्ट बिग सिटी इन यूरोप. यूरोप में वह पहला सबसे बड़ा शहर था. सो जहाँ पे राजा उनको नहीं बताता था कि क्या करना है, व्हाट टू डू. सो दे ऑल आर फ्री टू डू एनी थिंग्स. ओके, सो इट इज़ कंसिडर द फर्स्ट डेमोक्रेसी. सो उसी को फर्स्ट डेमोक्रेसी माना गया. यानी एथेंस में सबसे पहले डेमोक्रेसी का जन्म हुआ. So here are some small story about democracy. So as we know, so Amuse was a kid. So he got up from his bed. So he saw that his parents were very busy. So his mother was cooking and singing a song, and his father's a carpenter was also finishing the table, and he was making while whistling a happy tune. So Amuse asked his parents, so why are you so happy? Mom and dad, why are you so happy? So his mother replied, Amuse, today is very special in Athens. So from today our king told us what to do. So but he will not do so anymore. यानी अभी तक राजा हमें थोड़ा बहुत बताता था कि क्या करना है, but from today he will not do so anymore. Now with the people will take all decision regarding our city Athens, not the king. यानी हम सभी decisions लेंगे अब. We all the people will take all decision regarding our city, so not the king. How will you do this, mother? So asked Amuse. So mother's reply, your father will vote. Vote? What is that? So asked Amused. So vote is to take part in election and make a choice of person to be our leader. यानी वोट करना क्या होता है? वोट होता है कि उसमें हम अपने पसंद के लीडर्स को चुनते हैं, अपने पसंद के नेता को चुनते हैं जो कि हमारे वेलफेयर में डिसीजन लेता है. So his father said. So Amuse asked his mother, would you and Andrew also vote? No, my son, I am a woman and Andrew is a slave. So slaves are not considered citizen in the Athens. So that's why they can't cast vote. So right now we cannot vote, but you can when you become older. His mother smiled and said. इसकी मदर कहती है कि जो स्लेव्स होते हैं यानी गुलाम होते हैं वो सिटीजन्स नहीं होते. एथेंस के सिटीजन्स उनको नहीं माना जाता, इसलिए दे कांट कास्ट देयर वोट. यानी वो अपनी वोट नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि उनको नागरिक नहीं माना जाता. सो नेक्स्ट, Amuse asked again, will Uncle Paul vote? Yes, my child. He cast vote because he is a soldier. All adult male citizen will vote for the leader who will make law later. यानी वो सभी जितने भी एडल्ट मेल सिटीजन्स हैं वो सभी वोट दे सकते हैं और वो सभी बाद में कानून बनाएंगे. Who will make law later? Then we will make the law together. What to do with the people who break the law? यानी उन लोगों का क्या करें जो लॉ को तोड़ देते हैं, कानून तोड़ते हैं. So we will vote by raising our hand in the assembly, said his father. यानी फादर ने कहा कि हम अपना वोट देंगे, यानी हाथ उठाकर अपना वोट देंगे असेंबली में. जो एक पर्सन्स के लिए यानी जितने ज़्यादा हाथ उठेंगे उसी को चूज़ किया जाएगा. So Amuse's father leave the house to attend the first assembly to elect the leaders. So then Amuse tell Andrew about the voting that day. Well, I don't think it is very good idea. So how can everyone together make some important decisions? So Andrew pretending, Andrew said we should have only few smart people to make all the decision. So Andrew pretending because he understand himself as an intelligent person. So they have no right to cast vote because he is a slave and his mother also. Yani he complaining कि he can't vote and his mother also because his mother is a woman and he was a slave. So Amuse felt very bad for Andrew and his mother. Firstly for his voting age and secondly for his slavery. So he said, "Don't worry, Andrew. Time will be come when both men and women will be equal and will vote together, and you will be free. Then you will be free. There will be no slaves." So Amuse was right. So today there are no slaves and most countries around the world are converted into democracies. यानी आज वो दिन आ गया है, यानी अम्यूज़ की वो बात कहना सही था. आज वो दिन आ गया है जब कोई भी गुलाम नहीं, आज हर कोई इंसान फ्री है. एवरीवन इज़ फ्री टू टेक द डिसीजन. So women also have equal right to cast their vote in almost all the democracies. So India became a democratic state after its independence in 1947. So the first election were held in India in 1952. यानी first election कब हुआ था? 1952 में election हुआ था. So this is a chapter about democracy. I hope all of you understood कि democracy का जन्म कैसे और कब हुआ. सबसे पहले एथेंस में हुआ. एथेंस में इसकी शुरुआत हुई. वहाँ पे मतलब राजा ज़्यादा रोक टोक नहीं करता था किसी को भी, मतलब तो वहाँ पे इसका जन्म हुआ और वहीं से वोटिंग की भी शुरुआत हुई. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. हु वाज अम्यूज? सो जैसा कि आपने चैप्टर में पढ़ा, अम्यूज वाज अ किड. सो व्हाई वाज एंड्रू नॉट अलाउड टू वोट? सो एंड्रू वाज नॉट अलाउड टू वोट बिकॉज ही वाज अ स्लेव. सो डिस्क्राइब इलेक्शन. सो election is to take part and make a choice of person to be our leader. So when were the first election held in India? The first election were held in India in 1952. So what is a democracy? Democracy is government of the people, for the people and by the people. So these are question answers. So students, please learn this question answer properly. So thank you and have a nice day.